Nutritionists widely endorse regular consumption of black grapes for delaying aging and improving physical fitness due to their high anthocyanin content. Anthocyanins, predominantly found in the skins and seeds of black grapes, are potent natural antioxidants. They exhibit antioxidant capabilities 50 times greater than vitamin E and 20 times greater than vitamin C. These antioxidants help eliminate harmful free radicals, protect cells, enhance skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and slow down the aging process. Moreover, anthocyanins boost overall antioxidant levels in the body, mitigating oxidation reactions. As a result, they serve as key ingredients in many anti-aging health products and are considered among the most effective antioxidants known to humans.